You seriously need to see this. If you've been looking for the absolute best gem online, this viral literally everywhere right is the best investment you can make. Everyone is talking about it lately because it is super lightweight and durable. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it delivers outstanding results instantly, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. thsi unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal today without any delay. You seriously need to see this. If you've been looking